Okay, last week we did this. Okay, light travels in straight lines. Light can be reflected and in different forms of reflection. Remember, let me just show you as a review. Okay, this one. Okay, light rays. Remember, this is just a review. Can you take out your review notes? Class, take out review notes. Okay, let me just adjust my lighting. Okay, let me adjust my lighting. Okay. Okay, so let's just review, yeah? Light is a form of energy and it can be seen, okay? It's just that heat energy is a form of energy, it can be felt. It feels warm, but light energy is something that your eyes see, your eyes sense them, okay? And they travel in straight lines, okay? Light travels in straight lines and light rays must be represented by straight lines with arrows in diagrams. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. And last week we also studied the different forms of materials, okay, based on how much light they allow to pass through, okay, transparent, translucent, and opaque. Can? So far, any questions? Okay, so, and we talk about different kinds of reflection, regular reflection and diffuse reflection, okay? Can? Any questions? Okay, so for regular reflection, the reflected rays travel in the same direction. It occurs on a smooth surface and it happens, okay, on mirrors, polished surfaces, still water surface. And for diffuse reflection, okay, the reflected rays travel in random directions, occurs on a rough surface, and for example, walls and wood, okay? Okay, Valerie and Ariano. Now, what exactly is a shadow? Okay, a shadow is formed when light is blocked by an opaque or translucent object, okay? An opaque object forms a dark shadow, but a translucent object forms a faint shadow. Questions? Any questions? No, all right. And we did these questions last lesson. And we stopped over where, let me see, we haven't done this. Okay. Okay, wait, we did this. Class, can you look at question 13? Can you start to do question 13? And share your answer in the chat, okay? Can you type out your answers in the chat, okay? And I check it. Okay. Okay. Valerie says 3. But how about Ariano? And what's the reason? Okay, Valerie says 3. How about Ariano? What's your answer, Ariano? How many people walk past? Okay, you see, a store owner, 4. Very good. You see, a store owner wanted to count the number of people entering his store. Okay, he set up a light source and a light sensor as such. So this is a light source and a sensor. Whenever a person walks in between the source and the sensor, okay, he will block all the light, correct? That's why the light level will initially is maximum, then it suddenly drops to 0. Valerie, be careful, right? And the moment the person walks away, back to normal amount of light, okay, maximum amount of light again. Get it, Valerie? That's why the number of times light was completely blocked equals the number of times somebody was in between. That's why answer is 4 people, Valerie. Take note, Valerie. 4 people, yeah? Now, 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. What happens now, okay? He realized that his setup cannot count all the people entering the store. Using the same material, suggest what he can do and explain how this method ensures that every person entering the store can be counted. Okay, come try. Ariano, can you type your answer in the chat? Ariano, what he can do and how this method works, okay, to ensure every person entering the store can be counted. By making it lower, okay. That means you lower the light source and sensor, is it, Valerie? How about Ariano? What's your answer, Ariano? By making a new one? No, okay. That's a good try, okay. Let's see. Very good, Valerie, okay. By lowering the light source or and sensor so that children, shorter people can still block the light and be detected, okay? Questions? Next, okay, here. Try this question, okay. How about Ariano? Four sheets. Okay, let's look at the answer. Two sheets. Why is that two? Okay, look carefully. Yeah. Okay, each sheet is 2 mm. Okay. 2 mm. Each sheet is 2 mm already. Okay, and if it's 2 mm, only 10 units of light passes through, Ariano. But you need to be, the thickness of the sheets must be 4 mm. The total thickness of the sheets, okay, combined sheets must be 4 mm. You know that each sheet is 2 mm thick. So to make 4 mm, you need 2 sheets of material Z, this one, okay? So that 0 amounts of light passes through. Questions? All right, next. Strength, Ariano, not correct. Okay, wait. Is this correct? Let me see. Bottle, make a bottle, use to wrap the bottle. Another property you mentioned is strength. Let me see, is this correct? How about Valerie? What's your answer? Valerie, to wrap a bottle, what property must the material have? Property that is flexible. Now you see. Ariano, write this down. Okay, everybody write this down. Okay, to wrap, cling wrap, think carefully. Cling wrap has to be flexible. Okay,